Uh, Real quick, just I think Adel is in Amman in Jordan. He had a question. Go ahead, Adel. Welcome.
Thank you very much, Jorgen, and for having me among this distinguished group of people. And congratulations on your consistency and bringing us together, which is a great initiative. Um, just before jumping into my comments, I just wanted to pay a tribute to one of the pillars of tourism, not only in Jordan, but in the world, His Excellency Adel Biltaji, who passed away before a couple of days from COVID-19. It's really some tough moments for us here in the tourism sector in Jordan. May God bless his soul. I believe that we are still in the middle of this crisis, and it will take us time. As Andrew mentioned, without the appropriate and effective vaccination for populations in order to create this social immunity, I believe that travel will still be not sufficient, especially that we need to create the assurance of safety for travelers as such. I personally traveled during these days, and I've seen how challenging it could be, whether it's in the airports or the airline or in hotels or elsewhere. So passing the message, I believe, of safety is extremely important. As His Excellency Alan said, creating or looking into the USPs is extremely important. Yet, what is also important is creating these safety measures and the confidence in the travelers that they can travel safely once again. I think that this COVID-19 taught us many lessons. It definitely will change the way people will travel. But again, it could be an opportunity into looking into other experiences where people can hopefully enjoy in the near future. Regards from Jordan, wish you safety as always, and hope to see you soon again. Thank you, Jordan.
Thank you very much. And may I propose just maybe a minute of silence for Mr. Akeb Ajiji. He really was, we called him a giant in tourism. And it is very sad. Thank you very much.